have been to Goa a couple of years back and it was full laid back holiday in Goa. Let me take you to some beautiful beaches and shacks where I spend most of my time by just enjoying the beach and eating my favorite food.
Because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own.
After reaching Goa, we first went to our resort, the Kennelsworth Resort and Spa.
Me out of the storm, I found hope.
It is a 5-star property situated in the South Goa near Uttarda Beach. This resort offers 107 sea-facing rooms and suites, all furnished to reflect Goa's Portuguese heritage.
Of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see?
The resort sprawls across 14 acres and provide a complete family getaway. They provide sunset trip, dolphin cruise, boating, fun rides, water ski, jet ski, parasailing and many more adventure activities. My favorite part of this resort was their various dining options like Cucina Italiana and Gourmet Shop, as I was baby mooning in Goa and wanted to indulge more on delicious food. So yes, this place is a good option for baby mooning.
Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the.
We also went to explore nearby Utroda Beach, which is just 5 minutes walk from the resort. The beach gives you a beautiful view of South Goa Beach. Water is crystal clear and the white sand stretch looks so beautiful that it feels like you are in a picture-perfect destination.
With pins and patches, we carry on. I rise from the ashes.
If you are a kind of person who don't want crowd, then this place is good for you.
Felt impossible.
In evening, we went to Fisherman's Wharf in South Goa. It is known for its beautiful view sit-out and modern fusion cuisine infused with Goan influences. If you are in Goa, you must need to try Goan food.
You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless. Screamed out.
Next day, we decided to visit some laid-back beaches of North Goa. We first went to Morrison Beach.
Like getting blood out of the stone on my own.
Apart from its beautiful beach, it is widely known for breeding place of olive ridley sea turtles.
Out of the storm, I found home in your arms of gold. In your arms of gold.
This beach is mostly filled with Russian tourists. It is a 3-kilometer long beach which is ideal for beach walk and for watching sunset. We spent our lazy afternoon here.
That I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt.
After that, we went to have our lunch at La Plague in Ashwin Beach.
I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness.
Apart from their well-planned setting, this place is known for their warm hospitality and authentic French food. It is one of the best-looking shacks in Goa.
Because it felt impossible in my bones.
After that, we spent some time in Ashwin Beach. It is a beautiful beach with quiet atmosphere. It is good for laid-back and relaxing vacation.
Guided me out of the storm. I found home.
In the evening, we went to Arambol Beach. The bohemian vibe of the beach attracts foreigners of all the nationality to this beach. It is best known for its beach shacks, open-air events, live music, and vibrant nightlife.
And patches, we carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone.
In the night, we went to Thalassa, Goa. The design and ambience of Thalassa will take you back to Greece with their white decor, terrazzo flooring, rustic wooden shelters, and cane furnitures. Thalassa is situated in Wadi on the waterfront property where water seems meeting the ocean. This place is famous for its sunset, so if you are going there just to visit the restaurant, don't forget to pre-book your seat as sea facing side. Hope you enjoyed my 2 days laid back holiday in Goa. If you haven't visited any of these places, make sure you check it out in your next visit. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel Lose Yourself Vlog, and I'll see you in the next video.